It's amazing. Whenever a beggar collect fruits for himself, but he just offer all of his fruits towards the birds, namely martins and especially crows. It's amazing. The beautiful scenario only you can watch in area, in this area of Soradip Uddan. Very beautiful, and it's amazing, amazing. I am really, really blessed with this beautiful scenario. Pray for him. Who blessed the nature. God blessed him. I also pray for him. The immeasurable bless for his kindness for the nature. Awesome. I love his benevolent nature. I wish one day I offer so many foods for such birds, animals, and one day people will just recall me. I would like to be a part of this video. Exactly. I'm blessed with this scenario. Okay. Also, a dog is come, but I think so. It just scared all the birds. Oh, what a tiny bird, tiny dog, but it just scared all the crows. Thank you.